Welcome back to the Glamour Project. It's a bit of a dry day today, as you can see. Work's been going on for winter. Got some new gates on. I've decided now get the gates on there, and the potting shed can go here. So this is the new site for the potting shed. Need to crack on with that while it's winter time. Get it ready for January. Some perspex there for the ceiling. Well, I've had a lot of rain. Absolutely flooded over the last few days. Give you a quick look around. All the water barrels are full up. Put some wire over the top, stop all the leaves falling in. So let's have a look over here what we've been doing. The strawberries are still they're still okay with all the rain we've had and the snow. Doing alright. Sprouts are picking up a bit down there. You can see them down there, right in the corner. I'm getting up for you. There we go. Yeah, so yeah, I'm hoping Christmas dinner they'll be on my plate. Come around the corner. Next doors was totally underwater. He was really flooded, but it's drained away gradually. See the water barrels all full up. So I've been trying to drain mine away. Put a channel around here just to catch it, get away from the middle. The middle there, they were totally flooded. So I'll just put a channel here, direct it down this side and around this corner, just to stop it from making too much of a mess. I'm not walking, that's a bit soft. The well completely full. But the strawberries are doing nicely still. In the greenhouse, not a lot going on. Needs cleaning out so. And a few onions there. I think it's garlic actually that. So maybe transplant them when the time comes. Food for the slugs. I've took a few more cabbages, but the slugs are just, and the snails really, the very small snails, they're just annihilating them all. But there's still food there to be had. Next doors hasn't been back either. All the veggies have just been left in the ground. These sprouts aren't doing too good. Well, a few small ones there. Nothing to write home about. I don't think I'll get very much off these at all. In fact, I think they're dying off. A couple on the top there maybe. So yeah, it's just a clean up time again. Seems like we clean up for 9 months and then we have things to eat for 3 months. About right really, isn't it? Pretty bitter. The tree's still got a few leaves on to come off yet. That does not look good. The mighty oak. too wet to do anything. I don't know if you can hear it squelching underfoot. Just needs things putting away. I'm concentrating on the potting shed anyway, and clean the greenhouses out, and yeah, I'll take it from there. Going out to all these, well, those two large compost bins. I'm going to empty it out onto here, mix it all in, and hopefully build this area up. If I can build it up high enough, the water table shouldn't get to the roots. If we build it up as high as that, it should be okay. It's down there really where it floods, all this area. Even thought of the possibility of putting a wildlife pond here, just so I can get some water into it. But then once that gets full, it's going to overflow onto here again, so yeah, don't know. So preparation next, preparation. Started, got the gate done. Get the trailer down here, get some more manure, get some hardcore for the bottom of the potting shed. Get that built. Got a few pallets there, make a floor out of that, raise it up. So it's all recycled timber, apart from the 4x1.5. There are the old ones over there. With the much of rotted timber in the first place. So there we go. Thanks for joining me. Just a short one, just to show you what's going on. Catch you soon.